So, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, with the onset of the monsoon season and the monsoon session, both that he has been mentioning, saying that proactive monsoon and proactive monsoon session will lead to more productivity, and also highlighting the achievements that have been done on part of in the space sector, and India's first hydrogen train is something which the Prime Minister has highlighted, and also seeking the kind of cooperation and discussion and debate from the opposition. However, he seems to still take a jibe at the leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha here, but we are now looking at the situation where he does mention how India has been faring despite global problems with wars and conflicts that has been taking place, where he says that India is growing at the rate of around 7.7%, and India seems to be leading the way, and also expecting from the parliamentarians that this session be fruitful and productive, and also saying कि जहां तक तर्क होते हैं वहां तूफान की जगह नहीं होती. So he is in a way suggesting is where there is a logic, then there needs to be no protest, no chaos, and that seems to be the appeal that is now coming in from the Prime Minister. Half an hour to go before the monsoon session of Parliament begins, and the address that seems to be customary. Let's also listen in to what the Prime Minister has highlighted.
Okay, all right. So the Prime Minister's message to the opposition was very clear that let's have a productive debate, as has been the stand of the government. We're ready for a debate. This is what, remember, the Union Parliamentary Affairs Minister had also said, and now the Prime Minister has also set the record straight that the government is ready for a debate, but instead of disruptions, let there be a debate in the Parliament. Let's have a constructive debate. My colleague Pragya is joining us on the phone line with the details. And Pragya, on expected lines, the Prime Minister has addressed the media and also had a message to the opposition leader saying that we are ready for a debate, but ensure the Parliament functions. Pragya?
Absolutely, there is a greater message that Prime Minister has given today about the growth, about the development, about the aspirational youth of the country. And this is exactly the reason why Prime Minister has spoken about Skyroot, the private startup, Indian startup that has been able to have this launch, in a private capacity. And Prime Minister has also spoke about how we are one of the few countries to do that. And there is a reason why Prime Minister spoke about, the average of the age of the team, which is 28 years. Because Prime Minister is trying to differentiate between the youngsters and youth that actually aspires and has a lot of potential. And there are other political parties who are inciting youth. And in fact, there is a reason why Prime Minister also spoke about 56-year-old Yuva in an indirect attack on Rahul Gandhi as well. So, the fact is that Prime Minister speak about the development politics and also speak about how the experienced MPs need to contribute to this growth of the country. They should, give their experience so that the country could be benefited. So constructive spirit is what Prime Minister is speaking about. Irrespective of the parties, these experienced MPs can contribute to the growth of the country. Prime Minister believes there are facts and there is reasoning. When there is reasoning and facts, there is no scope for storm. So, everyone should be calm, cool, composed, and contribute to the growth of the country.
Okay, all right. So that was the Prime Minister's message, going on to say that the government is ready for a debate, and also he also spoke about the space program, and he had a very interesting message as well. He went on to speak about the developments, going on to say that let's focus on that. And the Prime Minister also told the senior MPs to guide the MPs in the House, going on to say that, yes, we can have discussions in the Parliament, but ensure that we are only debating, that the session is productive. That was the Prime Minister's message. He, of course, also did Lord Vikram once a lift-off, going on to say that startups have made the India story something to be proud of. We have Mr. Akashdeep Muni on the broadcast with us. Mr. Akashdeep Muni, this is the government's message, and it was the message that the government gave in the all-party meeting. This is the same message that the Prime Minister has to the opposition even today. Government is ready for a debate, but let it be a debate. Let it be a productive debate in the parliament, not disruptions time and again.
Now, of course, our Honorable Prime Minister was speaking about facts. And the biggest fact today is that since Modi's government has come, 152 paper leaks has happened. And there is zero conviction, not a single conviction made. It means that, do you know, in the last 10 years, 15,000 students have committed suicide. These figures are blatant, and they'll be staring at the face of Honorable Prime Minister when he speaks, because 15,000 students have lost their lives and 152 paper leaks has happened and not a single conviction you have done. And you're talking about governance. Are you talking, and you are taking chive against the leader of opposition? Today, being in government, you should perform. I want to ask that, has the last paper leak, not the 2026 one, 2024 NEET paper leak, the convictions happened? Give me a name of one person who is convicted. Not a single person is convicted. This is the reality. Nothing is rolling.
Okay.
And today you are sitting there
so you're
and
saying
speaking
that
about
this is
rhetoric.
the biggest issue that the nation wants to speak about, which is why the government should make time for it. In fact, many from the opposition have also gone on to say that instead of bringing in the Vande Mataram bill, this is what the government should be talking about. Do stay with us just a moment. We have the Prime Minister's message to the opposition. Here is what he said.
मानसून का भी कुछ लाभ नजर आ रहा है और मानसून सत्र भी प्रारंभ हो रहा है। मानसून हो या मानसून सत्र, अगर दोनों प्रोएक्टिव हो तो बहुत ही प्रोडक्टिव होते हैं। और दोनों को प्रोडक्टिव होते हैं तो देश का कल्याण होता है, जीव मात्र का कल्याण होता है। और इसलिए हम यही प्रार्थना करते हैं कि मानसून भी प्रोएक्टिव रहे, मानसून सत्र भी प्रोडक्टिव रहे। साथियों, पिछले एक महीने में देश ने अनेक सिद्धियां प्राप्त की है और देशवासी गर्व से भर जाएं, इस प्रकार की सिद्धियों का सिलसिला चला है। चाहे राष्ट्रीय हो, अंतर्राष्ट्रीय हो और अब तो अंतरिक्ष भी हो। एक प्रकार से भारत के लिए गर्व के पल रहे हैं। पिछले वर्ष मानसून सत्र के ठीक पहले भारतीय नागरिक इंटरनेशनल स्पेस स्टेशन पर पहुंचा था और कल ही परसों भारत का एक युवा स्टार्टअप, उसने बहुत बड़ी सिद्धि प्राप्त की है। विश्व के कम ही देश हैं जहां इस प्रकार से प्राइवेट साहस हुए हैं और भारत के युवाओं ने अंतरिक्ष में नई उड़ान भरी है। बहुत बड़ी सफलता है। और ये जो स्काईरूट स्टार्टअप है, उसमें जो नौजवान काम कर रहे हैं, मुझे बताया गया उनकी पूरी टीम की जो एवरेज एज है वो सिर्फ 28 साल है। ऐसे नौजवानों ने ये काम करके दिखाया है। मैं किसी 56 साल के नौजवान
All right, so that was the Prime Minister's address, but let's get you breaking updates now coming in. The DMK has skipped the opposition's key huddle ahead of the parliament session. So remember, the DMK has skipped the opposition's key meeting ahead of the parliament session. This has amid a lot of questions being raised on whether the opposition is going to be united or not. The DMK was not part of this meeting, and we've seen what happened during the Tamil Nadu elections. After the elections concluded, the DMK had called the Congress party a party of backstabbers. They had also written to the speaker saying they don't want to be seated with the Congress party. And now, ahead of the parliament session, a key meeting had been called by the India bloc leaders. And in a clear indication of the divide, DMK did not attend this meeting. My colleague Nyamika is getting us that update. The Congress party had also called for a meeting, and there are a lot of questions being raised on whether the opposition is going to not just have the numbers, but are they going to be united? Can they actually corner the government? Amid that, we have information coming in that the DMK has skipped the opposition's key huddle. Remember, sources have also indicated that the government has also held several back-channel talks. So, Nyamika, what does it indicate? Very clearly, DMK not part of the India bloc as far as issues are concerned. What is the DMK saying now that they've decided to skip the meeting?
Well, yes, Pratibha, we have seen that how there are differences which have come out in open between the DMK and the Congress party, and that is the only reason why today DMK has taken this decision to skip this particular meeting of the India bloc parties, which is being called by the leader of opposition in Rajya Sabha, Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge, on the very first day of the monsoon session of Parliament. That is basically being called to prepare a floor strategy, and all the India bloc party leaders were being invited to have a discussion upon the agenda of this monsoon session of Parliament. But in this particular meeting, DMK has taken a decision to skip this particular meeting, because we have seen that how DMK has already also asked the Speaker of Lok Sabha to change the sitting arrangement there. They don't want to see beside the Congress party within the House, and that is the only reason why this appeal was being made to the Speaker of Lok Sabha. But now in today's meeting, when all of the senior leaders of the India bloc parties were being present, DMK was not there, and that clearly shows that everything is not well within the India bloc parties, and keeping the entire flock united is going to be a major challenge for the Congress party itself.
Okay. All right. Big challenge, and the questions on whether the Congress party should have really reached out to the DMK. Nyamika, thank you for getting us that update. Just a few more minutes to go for the parliament to convene. We'll be right back with the live updates. Very quick break here. We'll be right back.